We all have those days where it feels like more is getting added to the to-do list than actually being crossed off. Well, not today. We are tackling the list and getting things marked as finished. Let's get it all done. Today we are starting off in my bedroom. The sheets need washed and changed. Well, not changed, but they need washed. And so I'm just going to go ahead and get that done. I like to do that at least once a week. I do tend to wash my pillowcase a little more often just because of my acne prone skin, but I'm just going to get those washed, and then in a couple seconds you're going to see a new mirror. And also, these glass spray bottles are from Amazon and they are awesome, you guys. They didn't come with the labels. I got the labels from my mom, but these glass spray bottles are so good. Okay, anyway, this mirror. So, let me tell you guys a little secret, and maybe I'm the only one in the world who didn't know it. This mirror is from Target. I got it last weekend. The price tag on the shelf was $100. And I had saw something on Instagram, I believe it was, that said if you scan stuff in the Target app, it might be a different price. I kid you not, I scanned it in the Target app and it popped up $70. So I got this mirror for $30 off just because I scanned it in the Target app. So you guys, please, when you go to Target, the cashier person said scan everything while you're shopping, just screenshot and then just show them when you're at checkout if it pops up a different price than what is on the shelf. So basically Target like price matches their app. So I was very happy that day because I have been looking for a mirror for so long, and they're either like overpriced or it's just not what I was looking for, and this mirror is perfect. So yes, make sure you guys get the Target app and you are scanning everything while you shop. She also said that it works really well for books and kids items. I have not tried it for those because that day I wasn't shopping for those items, but definitely give it a try. Now we are in my kitchen, and it wouldn't be a loving life as Shannon video if there wasn't some dishwashing motivation for you. Lord knows I always have dishes. And I kept looking outside because my, I can't say her name, Alexa, kept telling me it was gonna thunderstorm pretty soon. And I mean, it kind of looked like it was, but you guys, I got my hopes up for nothing. It never did storm. I love a good thunderstorm, especially in the summer. It's so nice and relaxing, and it didn't happen. So there's that. In a previous video, I had told you guys that some stove cleaning was coming soon, and today's that day because it needed it. I love using this spray. It's like stovetop. I don't know. I'll link it for you guys. I love it. It works so well. I don't even know if it's meant for my stove, but it works really, really good. Can we just take a minute to appreciate this clip right here? Like, look how shiny and reflective that is. I love that stuff. Highly recommend. I would say probably about once a week. I like to take everything off of my countertops and give them a good wipe down. Just, dust and debris that got pushed behind things and you don't see it. And then also, I know a lot of people don't leave their dish drying mat out like all the time, but I want to hear from you guys. Do you leave it out all the time on your countertop, or do you just take it out as needed? I feel like I leave it up on my countertop because I always have dishes. There's always somebody home, and I like to just do the dishes when I see them. So it makes sense to leave it out, I guess, but I don't know. What do you guys do? Let me know down in the comments below. So now let's talk about this coffee bar, my pride and joy. I absolutely love this coffee stand. My parents actually got it for us, I think for Christmas one year, and it's from Amazon, and it's so nice, you guys. Very nice quality, holds lots of storage, so I keep coffee in here, tea in here. We also have on the right where the door slides open, we have our like hot cocoa stuff, so it's easily accessible. And then I change the whole top up like for all the seasons, and it's just really really nice. So if I can find it, I will link it for you guys. So now I'm just gonna give the kitchen and dining room a good vacuum. I really hate like stepping on crumbs and stuff, so I vacuum a lot. And throwback to my house tour video 6 years ago, where I said that the flooring would be changed, relatively soon. Yeah, that didn't happen. You guys, I hate this floor. Hate, hate, hate. It looks clean all the time. I know it's not. It's just gross. I hate this flooring. It will get changed one of these days. It just hasn't happened yet. And then also today is a rare day that I am going in with my Swiffer just to get the floors done. I wanted to give them a good wipe down. And so I decided to use the Swiffer versus the what is it called? A wet dry vac. I don't know. The thing you've seen in my last couple videos. Another thing I wanted to get done today was I wanted to take this old mirror down. When I bought the mirror, I wasn't sure where it was going, and I think I like it here. So I didn't want to take this old mirror down until I knew for sure. But I'm 99% sure. So I'm gonna get this mirror down, and then I gotta figure out where to put this. I did love the old mirror. I love it. It's going somewhere else in the house. I just don't exactly know where. And there I'm showing you that I dropped drywall into my dog's bedroom water, so I have to go wash that and change out the water now. I also put like the hole filler in the old holes in the wall, and then my husband will touch up the paint later on when he gets home. Now I'm just gonna clean the couches. I've been meaning to do this for a little bit now. I just take leather cleaner and it gets it really clean and shiny. And now I want to hear from you guys. What is on your to-do list that you really need to cross off? Let me know in the comments below. I keep this blanket on the back of the couch like this because this is where our dog likes to sit when we are not home. I think because he's up higher and he can see out the window, because if you think about it, he can't see out any other windows. But I like to keep that there for just to make sure he doesn't fall off. And I also try to make sure that the blanket doesn't slide off, so I really tuck it into the couch. So I'm cleaning the front window. This is a daunting task. It gets dirty 5 minutes after I clean it every time, but that's okay. I'll keep cleaning it. And then I also spray my curtains with the linen spray that I use all over my house, which is just water mixed with fabric softener. And I had to pick up my dog to do this because I didn't want to like get it in his eyes, but he's my little shadow. Oh, he's so cute. So, fun fact for you guys, my dog has actually been around the longest before I had my son, before I met my husband. Me and this dog, we've been through it. He is 14 and I met my husband when my dog was like a year old. I think that's right. I don't know. Once you are married for so long, it's kind of hard to keep track of how long you've actually been together. But yeah, he was here before anybody else, and I love him. I mean, he is my firstborn child. That's what I tell everybody. And if I have to find an ultrasound picture of him, I will. These rechargeable lighters, oh, I absolutely love them. This one is from Target, but I also have a few from Amazon, so I just decided to light that candle. It smells so good. But now we are back in my bedroom to put the sheets on. This is the worst part about washing your sheets, is putting it all back on. If my husband was home, he would definitely help me, but I was trying to get it done, so he didn't have to come home and do anything. We could have family time, but yeah, this is the worst part of sheet washing day. Also, in case you guys are interested, all of my bedding is from Target. So the sheets are from Target, the duvet cover is from Target. I really like Target, you guys. I might have lied. The blanket that I just put on the end of our bed, that is not from Target. That is Boll and Branch. Now, I can't afford Boll and Branch, but my mom got a blanket from them and she gave it to me. So that is the only thing not from Target. And then this rug, if you guys are interested, it is from Menards and it is so nice. It cleans up so well and it leaves really satisfying vacuum lines. And finally, we are done. I think I crossed off about everything on my list. So that is it. If you guys would be so kind as to hit that subscribe button, it's completely free. All it does is keep me in your feed so you can come back for future videos. And then also, if you could hit that thumbs up button to help me in the YouTube algorithm to get my videos pushed out to more people, I would really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!